What's going on, boaters? We're on a fresh new trade, a 2019 Cobalt 220S. This boat is in great shape with 320 hours on it. This boat is not going to stick around long. Let me show you a few features. Starting off in the back of the boat, you have your nice big sun pad. This goes in there, or you can have your transom walk-through. You have your convertible flip-up seat, so you can sit back and relax while you're out swimming. This boat also does have your flip-down swim step, really nice feature. Coming into the boat, you have a nice wraparound seating. You have your co-captain seat, which also folds into a lay-down bench, have more seating, or to lay out and tan while you're on the boat. You do have your bow door, so when you're going across the lake at night, close that, shut your window, stay nice and warm. Again, this boat is not going to last long. Come check it out at MarineMax in Nisswa or visit it on our website at MarineMax.com.